In these webinars, I'm going to be introducing my perspective from my background using moving and the sensing of moving as an intervention in psychotherapy. And we're going to focus on movement as a way of diagnosing contacting, as a way of opening up and disclosing contacting. And I hope this perspective will be useful to you. You'll see at the end of 4 webinars. Now, this webinar is called The Body is a Moving Dynamic. But what does it mean when we use the word body? Who knows what that means? And what does it bring up in our imagination when we think of what movement means? What about the word movement? Because although movement is a common denominator, we have that in common with everyone, every human on the planet. Some people think of it as a location shift, like I'm moving here and then I'm moving there. Or it can be a postural change. I'm elevating myself and I'm reducing myself. But movement is much more complex than that, and it needs more precise description to be understood. So I had a patient who was gesturing like this to me. Very small movements, talking about something, and then I noticed this. And here, as we broke it down very slowly, I knew her well enough that I could notice her. Could you notice your hands and your fingers? Just put your whole awareness, and maybe do this with me. Yeah, very good. Just already notice. And I asked her, what is she saying to me? And she said, I want to ask you to help me, but I'm afraid you don't know how. I want your help, but I don't know if I'll get it. So movement then is our primary and most elementary direct interaction with others in the environment. Movement is contacting. Contacting is an interaction. The way of moving and sensing is the way we are in the world. That's how we know how we are in the world.